X5 Bill with the Bronco ride. Now what's this called? The Bronco
Mountain.
Bronco Mountain? Okay. And that's what we do here is climb mountains, right?
Exactly.
That's right. Hey, these two girls are giving me a hard time. Who do I report them to? I'm kidding. Okay. All right. No, she was giving me a hard time. Okay. Well,
Inside the vehicle, right?
I'm glad I brought this because, you know, after doing this for 5 years, I have like so many cameras. If you walk into my office at home, you go, damn, you got a lot of cameras. And so I'm like, going, what do I bring? So I settled on this and this. And there you go.
Good collection.
Well,
Something about the waves. Because you know me.
that. Yeah, I love 360 because when
I got a little video
I can edit the film, how many do I want, right?
Yeah, exactly.
for Lucery. Oh my god.
All right, I have a confession. I was going to buy the Bronco, but I bought a 4Runner instead. I know.
Not as much fun as the Bronco.
I would debate that one. I would debate that one big time.
I know that's what I was thinking.
Oh!
Yeah, that's why we were making fun of. No, it's all half.
Oh my god.
It's all half.
No. Hey, let me ask you guys a question.
So I'm here at Bronco Mountain, and this is media day for the Trade Auto Show. And all these pretty girls are wondering where'd this guy come from, and I'm like, I don't know. Off the street. I just walked in off the street, threw some BS and got in.
You gave us a decal. We know.
Yep, that's right. Hi.
That's pretty fancy.
Yeah, you know, we try.
Yeah, that's awesome, man.
It's actually,
Yeah.
my better half got me this for Christmas.
Really?
I love her, yeah.
Hey,
X5, 360 camera, 8K, totally worth it. Feature loaded.
That was your Christmas present?
One of them, yeah.
She loves you.
So who are you?
Well, my name's Maureen. I'm here with my team here. We are
From what
suppliers
company?
Orsini.
Oh, really?
Orsini.
Would you hold that for 1 second for me?
You're not-
You got it.
Okay. I'm looking at this super cool. Look at this, man.
There you go, that's for you.
Oh, okay.
If you guys check us out on YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah, what's your company name again?
Orsini.
Rossini, what do you do?
We sell brakes, rotors. We're a rotor manufacturer.
Oh, right on. And
Excellent.
how do you compete like with Brembo? They've got really good brake
We
pads.
compete with them, yeah.
What do you
Orsini. We compete
All right.
hard.
All right, have
All right.
fun.
Alrighty. Hey there.
How's it going?
How are you? I'm one of your notorious YouTubers here
Very cool.
on YouTube and yeah, YouTube.
Very sweet.
Want to go by himself or can I jump in there?
No, I actually would prefer by myself.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah,
we're
Yeah,
fine.
it's a YouTube deal.
Yeah, go ahead, get your seatbelts on. What's your name?
And my cologne is overpowering. My cologne's overpowering. You guys would throw me out on the first mountain. Okay. All right.
What's your name?
I'm Terry, and you're
Nice to meet you. My name's Bree.
Bree, man. I love your smile.
Oh, thanks so much.
So here you are with me from On Down the Road Productions, and talk to me. Is this a 2026 Bronco?
Yeah, this is
That's for
actually-
you, Bree.
Oh, thank you so much. Very cool. I love that. It's holographic. That's so special.
Yeah.
Very cool. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna try to teach you as much as I can about the Bronco
here.
in the short period of time
Watch
that
this.
we have. Yeah, absolutely. Love
Rock
that.
and roll.
Perfect. I miss my my
Look at this.
360 camera. All right, so this is a 20-degree incline that we're going to tackle on our side right now. So
Okay.
we're going to work our way up over this 20-degree incline on our side. Now what's crazy is the wrong 20 degrees does not feel like a lot until the side incline.
Yeah, you're telling me.
I know, right?
Hey, I can see someone's lunch right there.
Yeah, what's crazy is we've seen a lot of videos on the internet of the Bronco doing like 40 degrees on the side. No problem.
Oh yeah, I believe it.
Yeah, right?
So that was nice.
Yeah, right?
So what engine does this have?
So this is a 2.7-liter V6 that is
V6?
twin turbo, yeah.
Okay, and it's got an 8-speed or 10-speed?
This is a 10-speed
That was a
automatic.
test. I knew that.
Yeah, it's a 10-speed automatic. They do actually come in 7-speed manual transmissions, but only the 2.3-liter does. So we're going to
Okay.
work our way up and over this tilt bridge. Now, this is basically an Indiana Jones style
Hey,
ramp.
that's very powerful.
Yeah.
So the 2.3, if you got the base 4-cylinder, you can get a 7-speed transmission.
Yes.
On
Yep,
top
manual.
of the 6 manual. It's a
Yeah,
manual.
manual transmission. Yeah, it's
It's
cool,
a
right?
7-speed, not a 6-speed.
Yeah, I believe it's a 7-speed.
Well, I thought it was a 6, but that's okay.
So we're going to work our way up and over this tilt bridge here. This is basically basically our Indiana Jones ramp. It's a weight transfer trick, so we're gonna go all the way to the edge and then come to a stop.
Okay.
It's a pretty big drop at the bottom.
I see someone's lunch again. All right.
Perfect.
Hey, listen, you never drive in my truck, okay? After
No?
this.
What kind of truck do you have?
Oh, I actually have a 4Runner.
Oh, very cool.
It's on that sticker, actually.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's awesome. All right, cool. So we're gonna work our way up Bronco Mountain. You want to take a guess at how many degrees this is uphill?
Well, I'm used to getting a 3rd degree, but I'm gonna guess 57 degrees.
It's actually 40. So it's 40 degrees uphill, 40 degrees downhill. But what you're in luck because the Bronco can actually handle up to 60 degrees uphill without fuel starvation.
Okay.
Yeah. So if we were on a 57 degree hill, you'd be all right. So we're gonna work our way up Bronco Mountain right now.
Okay. And okay, I noticed really no grab handles.
Yeah, so we actually have airbags where the normal grab handles would go, which is why we have additional grab handles now. Perfect, there we go. So we're just gonna work
All
our
right.
way down.
Another question for you.
Yeah, go for it.
Because I do overlanding.
Uh-huh.
And you know, I don't do a lot of rock crawling.
Uh-huh.
Is there an airbag disable feature for that? Because you know sometimes people are taking their trucks out and the airbags go off.
You know, so we do have a rock crawl mode that we're actually gonna go into as soon as we get down this mountain.
Okay.
Which turns on a bunch of off-roading accessories. I would not be surprised if they got that far and turned off airbags at a certain mile an hour.
Well, for boulder crawling and stuff, right?
Yeah.
You don't want to get slapped in the face with an airbag.
Right, exactly. So you'll see right now. So we have this thing called GOAT mode here at Ford. So GOAT stands for obviously greatest of all time because that's what we are. But in addition to that, it stands for goes over any terrain. No, it's okay. It stands for goes over any terrain. So as you can see on my front screen.
This is for automatic?
Yes, that's 4-wheel drive automatic. But you'll see we've got a bunch of different modes here. We've got eco, sand, mud and ruts, Baja, and then rock crawl. So
what's the size of this? 12 inch?
I think it's 12 and a half inches. I
Okay,
believe.
all right.
Yeah.
And
so
you were saying?
rock crawl mode puts us into 4-wheel drive low and turns on a bunch of off-roading accessories for us that we don't have to remember. So as you can see, this is a front-facing camera with a tire pressure monitor, and this is really unique to the Sasquatch package. It is a side view mirror camera, so I can see exactly where my 2 front wheels are going to land on each rock as I drive up and over, which is great. It makes me really independent. Now I don't need a spotter just to go rock crawling, which is really helpful here.
Oh, right on.
Yeah, right?
I know what's going to happen after you finish with me in this mountain.
What's that?
You're going to be my #1 fan on YouTube. Yeah, you know, I met this guy. He's real cheesy. Wears terrible cologne, but he knows cars and trucks better than anybody except me.
Oh, that's so cool. You'll probably appreciate this if you do a lot of off-landing. So that is
Off-landing,
my...
yeah. Offloading, only my problems.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so that's our sway bar disconnect button.
Okay.
So we can do that under load, which is pretty cool.
Okay.
So we're going to work our way up these rocks here. It should be a lot smoother for us as well.
I love it. And this is the 2.7 liter V6.
Yes.
It does feel better than before.
Yeah, you think so? I haven't been in a base model, so I wouldn't know. Hopefully you learned something. Had a good time.
Definitely. I've got one more thing for you.
Yeah, absolutely.
I think you're a sweetheart.
Oh, thanks.
I'll make your day. You're going to go, wow, I got the coolest gift. That's for you.
Oh, very cool. Heck yeah. Thanks so much.
Yeah, all right. Hey, thanks for the great test ride.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I like the Bronco. This is a really nice thing.
Awesome. I'm glad.
Okay.
Have a great rest of your day.
Have a blessed day, okay?
Yeah, you too.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
All righty.
Thanks for the gifts. That's so cool.
Oh, yeah. Well, you know, hey, it's On Down the Road Productions and we keep it real.
Yeah, that's great. Love that.
Okay.
Good luck with your channel.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate that.
How was it?
It was great. Thank you.
Doing